honking at me for, dipshit?
What the hell are you doing, dude?
Dude, that's not how that works. I have the straight.
Works,
I have the straight. You were coming through here.
You have the yield, dude.
I don't have the yield. Nobody in the track. Everyone coming in has the yield. I promise you that.
Did you hit my shit?
No, I didn't hit. Did you hit my shit? Is the question, man.
I got a dash cam. We'll
I do too, motherfucker. Don't worry about it.
My shit. You better pull over, dude.
Oh, what the? Go. Can you at least pull down the parking lot so we can do it?
God damn, dude.
We didn't touch.
You're right, we didn't. Be careful, man. You realize if I hit you, I would have just crushed your entire car, right?
Okay, but like, I understand what you're saying. Yeah, you're right.
I understand, and like, I'm coming this way, and there's a yield,
right.
There's 2 yields. But you do realize this thing weighs like 10,000 pounds, right?
I mean, it really...
I understand, but you realize, like, you would have gotten up, dude.
Yeah,
like,
but I don't understand how this is... Like, there's nothing that I should have or could have done differently there.
I didn't... I checked, you don't come straight across the intersection like that.
It's a roundabout. I was inside the roundabout. All right.
All right, I'm sorry,
Good.
dude. I'm glad I didn't hit you.
Me too.
Holy shit. Sorry, man.
All right, you're good, man. Take it easy.
Well, that's fine.
The f*** you moron!
What just happened?
Jackass just pulled out in front of me.
Push it once.
He almost hit that biker girl. What the fuck? I'm so sorry that I yelled like that.
That's pretty fucked up.
I don't know, dude. I feel like the more you... Whoa! Seriously?
You have a stop sign, lady. Why they even stopped? There was a car coming before and they didn't stop. That's true. Jesus! Why do you hate stop signs?
Volta a destra in Pompano.
And I got the other wig. Watch it!
Shit, you idiot.
Oh my God, we almost hit a girl.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.